YouTubers. This is Blue Eyes White Guy from Team Reisenberger. It's got a couple packs of Turn of the Duelist. Gonna go ahead and open these for you. So that's 6 packs. Show you what I get. Alright, here, got, you've already seen all these. Temperance. It's a pretty good pull. Already have 3 of them though. Second pack. Spellbook of Life. Third pack. Ooh, it's ugly. Opening. Nothing. Ulti Destroyer. That's interesting. Nothing. And last pack. Absolutely nothing. Alright. So we got Spellbook of Life, Prophecy Destroyer, and Temperance of Prophecy. It's not bad. Not too great. Alright guys, Team Reisenberger out.